In this video, I am going to show you how you can generate leads for cold calls. My name is Kojun Ketia, Minister of SaaS Media Studio. If you are new to this YouTube channel, please subscribe and also give me some likes. Let's get into it. Before anything, if you want to learn how to create an SMTP server to send your own bulk emails, all you have to do is check the description. I have a course on Udemy that will show you how to do just that. So the whole idea of this video is to generate or to gather phone numbers of businesses and sell your services or your product to them. I am going to use two tools for this tutorial. The first tool is the Instant Data Scraper. The second tool is Yellow Pages. All right, so I'll leave the links of these tools at the description down below. Just click on it and you'll be directed to these pages. So the first thing we are going to talk about is the Instant Data Scraper. This is the tool that is going to scrap our data for us. So first of all, we need to just add to Chrome. I'm just going to click on that. Now click on Add Extension, then wait for the installation to be completed. Now, as you can see, the installation has been completed. All you have to do is just click on the extension icon over here, then click on the pin sign in front of the Instant Data Scraper. Just click on that and you can see it over here, right? That is it. So the next thing is to go to the Yellow Pages, and this is the business directory where we are going to do our research. All right, so we are going to do targeted leads, right? So we are going to search for businesses, then we are going to use the Instant Data Scraper to scrap their phone numbers. You get it? Yes. So we have categories over here. You can search it manually or you can navigate through the categories. So I am going to navigate through the categories over here. So I'm going to choose plumbers. So these are plumbers in Dallas. Okay, so you can change the location over here, right? You can select any location in the United States. Okay, you can just search. Let's say if it is New York, you can just type new and you can see New York over here. Just click on it, then you click on find, and you are going to find plumbers in the New York, right? So that's how you can navigate through this website, right? So now all you have to do is just click on this icon, okay, the Instant Data Scraper icon. Just click on that and wait, and you can see that it has scrapped some data for you. All right, so you can see this is it, Yellow Pages, okay, New York, you understand? So I'm just going to make it a little bigger, and you can see we have a lot of data over here. So I can just click on locate next. If there is next page, it is going to the next page to do just that for you, to scrap more data for you. You get it? So now after scrapping the data, I can see that there is no phone numbers over here, so that means we didn't get any phone number from this section. So all I have to do is I have to do another search. Okay, so let's check, let's try a different location like California. Let's see, California. All right, so this is California. I'm going to click on find. So before that, you have to just close this. Okay, that is why you can see it is selecting some pages. Okay, before that, just refresh that, close the Instant Data Scraper, then do your search again. All right, so California. So this is California. Okay, oh sorry, I chose no problem, let's do search with Kalemisa, and let's see. So we have, you can see we have some phone numbers in front of this, and it can scrap some phone numbers for us. So I have to just click on the Instant Data Scraper, and you can see it is scrapping some data over here. All right, it is scrapping some data. So when I just go to the right side of it, you can see we have some phone numbers over here. So you can see phones over here, right? So that's their phone numbers. You can then start calling each of them, all right, to sell your services to them. Please, if you want to learn how to create an SMTP server for your own self to send your own bulk emails, so I have a course on Udemy. I'll leave the link at the description. Make sure you check it out. After getting your data, you can save your data, right? So all you have to do is you can click on copy all, then you send it to your Excel. or Google Sheet. Or better still, you can just click on CSV to download it as a CSV file, right? So when I go to Google Sheet now, I can just click on blank spreadsheet. I can just click on file, import. All right, so upload, browse, then your CSV file. You can see yellow pages over here. Just click on open, import data, and boom, this is your data. All right, so that is all. So you can just come to this section, scroll to the right. You can see the phone numbers over here. You can just click on the kill. Okay, control plus C to copy that. All right, then open your notepad, then paste the phone numbers there, and that is all. So that's how you can gather your phone numbers. If you think this video is very useful, all you have to do is give me some likes. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave it at the comment section. Now let's meet in the next video. Goodbye.